If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. If you're shopping for the best affordable sewing machine, the Varmax Mini Sewing Machine is going to be a great product for you and is my pick for the best budget sewing machine in 2022. The Varmax Mini Sewing Machine delivers plenty of features that outperform the inexpensive price. You get a built-in LED light to illuminate your working area, a large extension table to tackle larger sewing tasks, and a wide range of accessories to help you get started. It has a compact form factor that won't take up much space, which makes it ideal for moving between rooms or taking on the go. Despite its portable design, it delivers impressive functionality and offers a convenient double thread feature to save time, so you won't need to knot stitches. I also like that it comes with powerful dual-speed control to provide safe, powerful, and consistent operation that's suitable for beginners or home craft enthusiasts. It comes with a range of accessories to help you start sewing, including 32 bobbins, a scissor, 5 needles, a threader, a thimble, and a seam ripper, along with a decent 1-year warranty to guarantee performance over time, after-sales service, and an AC/DC adapter with ETL mark certification for safety. The bobbins are easy to rewind on the winding pole, but it lacks a reverse function like many higher-end competitors. I think the large extension table is a solid feature considering the price, and it provides a smooth and stable surface while you work on larger projects. It has a user-friendly lamp and thread cutter which delivers enough light to increase visibility while you sew and allows you to easily cut thread when you're finished. It also offers impressive versatility with the power supply and can be used with either batteries or the included adapter, and you can easily turn it on using both the button and the foot pedal. The Varmax Mini Sewing Machine is an excellent budget-friendly option that delivers consistent results, a convenient thread cutter to finish your projects, and user-friendly controls. I would recommend this for beginners or anyone who wants to save money. If you want high-end performance without the high-end price tag, the Brother XM2701 might be the product for you. It's a great product for beginners, and it's my pick for the best sewing machine for the money in 2022. The Brother XM2701 delivers impressive versatility and can be used in most home sewing projects. It also comes with an impressive feature set, including a user-friendly automatic needle threader, 27 built-in stitches, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. You get a lightweight, portable sewing machine that only weighs 12.6 pounds, but you'll have to purchase a carrying case separately to maintain high-quality performance. It's ideal for smaller projects and offers intuitive dial-based controls to control the type of stitch, tension, and length, which makes it a perfect choice for beginners. Unfortunately, it lacks a storage option for the foot pedal and power cord, but it has a useful bobbin drawer that can store accessories such as the included 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, and 4 bobbins. I also like that it comes with a built-in LED light to increase visibility while you work, along with a generous 25-year limited warranty for peace of mind and free lifetime phone support to guarantee satisfaction. You get several impressive features despite the affordable price, including an automatic needle threader, a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, a convenient auto bobbin winding function, and a thread cutter for when you're finished. I believe the 27 types of distinct stitches provide solid value, and it features blind hems, zigzags, stretch stitches, and an auto-sized buttonhole, but it doesn't include embroidery functions, automatic designs, or decorative stitches like some competitors. It performs well with most light fabrics, such as fleece and cotton, but it's not suitable for heavier fabrics like denim. It delivers consistent, even, and tight stitches, and it has a straight stitch function that offers impressive sewing versatility. The Brother XM2701 is a great sewing machine. It offers wide variety of stitches, consistent and versatile functionality, portable frame, and easy-to-use controls. This is a great option if you want to learn how to sew without sacrificing any performance. Next up, we've got the Brother XR9550PRW, which is my pick for the best sewing machine for most people. A high-quality sewing machine should offer versatile performance, and the Brother XR9550PRW can do everything you'd reasonably need with impressive quality. You get a wide variety of built-in stitches, a high-end maximum sewing speed, and a backlit LCD screen with several adjustable settings. It comes with a lightweight metal frame with an integrated carrying handle for enhanced portability, but the build quality is somewhat limited compared to top-end models. I like that it comes with a hard case for added durability, a wide extension table to accommodate larger sewing projects, a built-in LED light to illuminate your workspace, and free arm capabilities for sleeves. The 8-bit backlit LCD screen is easy to read and allows you to choose the stitch type, adjust the sewing speed, and change the needle placement, which makes it ideal for beginners, advanced users, and most general applications. You also get 8 quick change presser and sewing foot accessories for increased versatility, a standard 25-year limited warranty, and free technical phone support. It features 110 built-in stitches, which includes decorative, quilting, and heirloom stitches, 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches for basic monogramming, a convenient reverse stitch function, and 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, so you get plenty of customization options for clothing. I believe the automatic needle threader offers solid utility for most users, and it comes with a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin that's easy to load. While the stitch performance with heavy fabrics isn't on par with higher-end models, it performs well with most lighter materials, such as cotton, and offers several similar features for a more affordable price. You also get a solid maximum sewing speed of 800 stitches per minute to efficiently complete projects. The Brother XR9550PRW is the best option for most people because of its versatility, long-lasting 25-year warranty, several quality-of-life features, and monogramming capabilities. I would recommend this if you want a machine that can deliver quality results across most sewing applications. If you're looking for a sewing machine with computerized precision and ease of use, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is likely going to be the product for you. Computerized sewing machines offer a convenient alternative to traditional models, and the Quantum Stylist 9960 is a great model that's easy to use. It comes with many outstanding features, such as 600 built-in stitches, a convenient autopilot function, and a robust metal build. It's relatively large at around 28 pounds, but it's made from a heavy-duty metal frame that keeps the mechanisms aligned for added durability. I think the large color LCD touchscreen display sets it apart from other computerized sewing machines, and it provides an intuitive way to change stitches, adjust the speed, and view stitch functions such as stitch length, width, tension settings, recommended presser foot, and the needle position. It has user-friendly controls, one-touch stitch selection, and electronic twin needle settings. While it's limiting that you can't use the quilting bar with the walking foot, it has an extension table that provides a larger working area. You also get plenty of accessories to get started, built-in LEDs for visibility, and a 25-year warranty. It comes with several useful features, including an automatic needle threader, an autopilot function for when you're busy, and automatic reverse stitching. The top drop-in bobbin system is easy to load and comes with a clear cover, so it's simple to monitor the remaining thread levels. You get a comprehensive selection of 600 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, along with 5 alphanumeric font stitches for greater control over your projects. It also offers 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes with an exclusive buttonhole underplate, mirror imaging, and stitch elongation for advanced users. I also like that it sews at an impressive maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute to complete tasks quickly. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is an amazing computerized sewing machine because of its user-friendly controls, consistent high-end performance, and outstanding maximum sewing speed. This is a great option for any serious user that wants a straightforward sewing machine with a comprehensive stitch selection. If you're looking for the best of the best for professional-level performance and you're willing to pay for it, the Juki TL-2010Q might be the perfect product for you. The TL-2010Q delivers industrial-grade sewing performance, several impressive features, and unparalleled precision among at-home sewing machines. You also get excellent stitches on nearly any type of fabric, an advanced sub-tension system for increased accuracy and consistency, and a spacious working area. While it's heavier and more expensive than many competitors, it's designed for serious users, and it's made from a high-quality aluminum die casting for durability. It comes with a massive working area that can be extended with the supplementary table for larger projects, free arm capabilities for quilters, and a built-in LED light to increase visibility, but it lacks some brightness. I think the industrial sub-tension system is an outstanding addition, and it allows you to adjust the tension depending on the thread and fabric type for consistent, high-quality stitching. You also get an adjustable speed lever that utilizes a microcomputer for comprehensive control, but the 5-year limited warranty is shorter than many other models. I believe the main drawback is the lack of built-in stitch options, but it utilizes a straight stitch that performs well with heavy fabrics such as denim and leather. You get an intuitive push-lever automatic needle threader to reduce eye strain, and the machine conveniently stops with the needle in a down position for enhanced stitching accuracy. It can cut thread from 3 different locations, including the button on the front, the thread cutter on the back, and the foot pedal, which prevents the thread from moving at high speeds for more precision. It also comes with an unrivaled maximum sewing speed of 1,500 stitches per minute to complete large projects quickly, and an adjustable knee lift lever to raise or lower the presser foot. Overall, the TL-2010Q is a top-of-the-line sewing machine. Its high price makes it tough to recommend to most people who would get similar usage from things much cheaper that we've mentioned on our list, but it does have even stitching, lightning-fast sewing speed, adjustable speed settings for increased control, and a built-in microcomputer. If you're looking for a professional-level piece of equipment that will last you a very long time and are willing to pay for it, you'll love the Juki TL-2010Q. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.